YouTube gang? It's your girl, Antoinette Marie T. Back with your girl, Antoinette Marie. And, oh, let me just get this out. So, first I want to say thank you to everybody that's been showing me love on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I am feeling the love. So if you came to see one of my videos before and just have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you be notified when your girl drop another video. And if you are one of my loyal subscribers, thank you for coming back and keep supporting your girl. If this is your first time seeing one of my videos, what you waiting on? Hit the subscribe button, join the Liger fam, and be a part of the family. I would love to have you. I am going to be kicking out videos all 2021, and hopefully growing my channel. But I did a video a couple of days ago, and it was a kind of review of the ginger shot video. To make a long story short, like I said, everybody has been oversaturating the internet with these ginger shots when they're doing their weight loss journey. So I figured I would give it a try for the first time since I'm starting my weight loss journey. So I am going to be doing just the golden, it's a Vita Life, it's the golden child, it's a turmeric shot. And I will also be making my own ginger shot, and the items that I'm going to be using is, of course, a lemon, ginger, a lemon squeezer. I am going to chop up the ginger in a chopper. I'm going to put some cayenne pepper. I hope that's how you pronounce it, cayenne pepper. And I just have 2 bottles from ginger shots that I've had before that I'm just going to fill up. I took the sticker off so they look kind of ugly. It's still sticky, but like I said, I took the stickers off, and I'm just going to put it in these bottles, and I'm going to try to mimic the taste that I tasted in my last video. But I'm going to do the turmeric shot first. So I'm kind of scared because I don't like stuff that's nasty. First of all, this is my favorite gum. This video is not being promoted with this gum. It's just, baby, try to be doing this thing when they come to these flavored gums. So, again, this is a 2-ounce bottle of ginger. Somebody asked me in a previous video if I could do a tattoo video of my tattoos. I have a lot of them. I ain't gonna say a lot. It's not quite a bit, but this is a 2-ounce bottle. It's 15 calories. It's 100% juice. Inside of this bottle, it is made with a blend of coconut water, pineapple juice, turmeric juice, lemon juice, and ground black pepper. This is also an organic product. Now, I picked this up from my local Aldi's grocery store. They were on sale. They were $1.99, and this past week they were on sale for $1.49. So like I just said, I decided to try a couple to see how they were. If I feel like they work, I mean, I'm not really sure what they're supposed to do, but I know what I have a clue what they're supposed to do. So if I see that they work, I'll go grab some more, or I'll just try to mimic it and make it at home. So I'm just gonna go and down the shot, down the hatchet. This one is actually a little bit better than the ginger shot, I think, because this one has ground black pepper and the other one has the cayenne pepper. So this one is a lot better. digesting. So without further ado, I'm going to get into the part of the video that we are here for. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my blender. I have my bottles here. Here's a bowl. I'm just going to roll this for a second so I can get all the juice. And I am going to just take my ginger, chop it up. I peeled the skin of the ginger. Actually, what I did was I washed it really well and then cut the skin off. And now I'm chopping it into smaller pieces so I can get it chopped up. I have chopped this ginger up small pieces. I'm going to put a little water in there because I am going to drain it so I can get all of the ginger out. Oh crap, I'll wear that. That part will actually work, but I am going to put in one side of the thing and I'm just going to pour the ginger and water mixture here and kind of try to like strain it with the paper towel. Hopefully the paper towel don't get too damp and fall completely apart. Okay, so I have all the ginger inside of the paper towel, and it would have worked great with a cheesecloth, but this is my ginger. And now I am going to put my lemon in there. And try not to get any seeds. Oh, yes. And here is my ginger mixture. I am going to put a pinch of the cayenne pepper. That's all it requires is a pinch. And I will stir this up. I will then pour it in a measuring cup. And here is my first ginger shot. Homemade ginger shots. This one is not quite a whole bottle. So this is 1 ounce. Half a ginger shot. Okay, guys. So, here we go. All you need is just some ginger, a lemon, a blender, and something to put them in. So guys, this is how I make my ginger shots. Now before I take this tomorrow morning, I'm going to pour it into like a coffee cup. Excuse me. And put it in a microwave and heat it up. And that will be the perfect ginger shot. So I want to thank you guys for, if you got to the end of this video, I want to thank you for watching my videos. Oh my God, my skin is freaking horrible. It is going through some stuff right now. So, like I said, thank you if you got to the end of this video. Go ahead and drop a green heart if you made it to the end of this video. I appreciate it. I love you guys. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.